Hey there, are you looking for a high-quality dashcam setup that fits your car like factory equipment, with crystal clear 4K footage and zero exposed wiring? If the answer is yes, then you are in the right place, because today we are checking out the Mangoal custom factory-style front and rear dashcam system. It's compatible with a wide range of other vehicles that you can select whether you plan on getting it from their website or on Amazon. Before we get started, I want to mention that this product was provided to us by Mangoal in exchange for a review, and this is a paid collaboration. While I appreciate their support to my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever, and my review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always. So feel free to stick around as we explore everything that this custom dashcam system has to offer. Are you looking for a 3D printer that's fast, smart, and actually fun to use? The Anycubic Cobra 3 V2 combo might be exactly what you need. With blazing speeds up to 600 milliseconds and a Core XY motion system, it delivers precision and speed without compromise. What really sets it apart is the Color Engine Pro. It lets you print in up to 8 colors, automatically switching filaments mid-print. No more stopping to swap spools. It's easy to set up with most of the parts pre-assembled, and it gets you printing in under 30 minutes. The built-in AI camera monitors your print in real time and alerts you if something goes wrong, even when you are away, thanks to the remote control through the Anycubic app. You get a large 250x250x260mm build volume, compatibility with a wide range of filaments, and incredible print quality, even at high speeds. If you want to upgrade your 3D printing game, then you definitely need to check the link in the description to grab yours and start printing smarter, faster, and in full color today. So inside the box you will find the factory-style 4K front camera, the 1080p rear camera, and the rear cam cable, a 128GB micro SD card, and all the necessary accessories from mounting straps and user manual to make the installation smooth and easy. It also includes comprehensive installation guides and support, so you are covered every step of the way, and for the installation process it was super easy and smooth, just like you would install a regular dashcam in just few minutes and you are done. This custom fit dashcam is designed to blend in seamlessly behind your rear view mirror, giving you that factory installed look with no messy wiring or complicated rewiring required. It fits flush and clean, making it feel like a stock part of your car. Under the hood, the Mangoal dashcam boasts a front 4K Ultra HD camera paired with a rear 1080p Full HD camera. Also, you are getting excellent image quality from both angles, with wide 170-degree front and 140-degree rear fields of view. So whether it's reading license plates or catching key road details, the setup has your back for sure, especially in unexpected situations like collisions. Thanks to its built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect directly to the camera via their free app, as you can see. This allows you to view live footage, download important clips, and even share moments on social media, all from your phone, and the app is quick and simple and smooth to operate and is really user-friendly. The system supports loop recording, automatically overwriting the oldest footage when the memory card fills up, and in the event of a sudden impact, the built-in G-sensor locks and protects the critical video from being deleted, giving you reliable proof when you need it the most. Overall, the Mangoal factory-style dashcam setup delivers everything you would want, from clean installation to incredible clarity, smart features, and full vehicle coverage, which is exactly what you want in a dashcam, in addition to the stylish look and the seamless integration to your car. It's definitely an ideal upgrade for safety, peace of mind, and premium design. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about this great dashcam. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helps you decide whether it's the best fit for you and your own car. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech-related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to grab yours to enjoy all the features that this amazing setup has to offer. See you in the next video. Peace.